Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dema, Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Thursday, January 30th, 2025. So, as we round up January, things are just getting pretty crazy out there. So, we had this little gap up, came up into right at this resistance here. I was anticipating a little bit of a pullback, and it just kept going down to where it was in the red. But this support held. We came back. They give another head fake here, and then we just kind of shot up. We never really closed this gap here at the 60.91, but they gave it a pretty good shot at it, only 4 points off. So what is this? It's hard to explain what all this the volatility was about everything. So I mean, it could have been, it was crazy because I had both a long and short position going into here, and it was kind of late. And I closed the calls actually for exactly what I paid for the calls and the puts. And then when it dropped down, I closed those put things, and not knowing that they were going to be another really good trade. So it was a little confusing with the moves, but overall, we did all right. We made 1,100. Like I said, it could have been a lot more, but it is what it is. It's just pretty volatile. So here, so you can see right now they're having this little battle with the 50-day moving, this is the 200-day moving average on the 15-minute chart, and we've really just been kind of going up and down, and buyers have been stepping in under here. So this is going to be the important area for the bears to get below. It's going to be the 60.40. Then we have the 60.26, and then we're coming down to the 60.11. So those are your support areas. On the upside, again, we still have the 78% retracement. That's at the 60.93. And then after that, we're looking at all-time highs again. So it's getting kind of, like I said, choppy. And you're going to see, we're seeing these moves go pretty quick. So we have to just kind of prepare for it. The Condor trades, I pretty much knew after Monday, they weren't really going to be working that well, because when you get a big drop like this, volatility automatically picks up, whether it's going to be on the upside or the downside. So I've been staying away. They've been, I've been selling premium. I've basically just been using my regular technical analysis on it and putting, pretty good stops on them, but they seem to be working out. I do, like I said, I like to do the market neutral, where I'll have a call and a put at the same line. And really what you're looking for is this type of move where it goes up, and whatever you bought, that put and the call, the combination, that's what it equals. And from there, now you have a free put. So that's really the way I do it. I like to... I like to do it on Fridays heading into Monday. It's a little risky, but the way you have it set up, it's unless the market just flatlines, which on Mondays we have not seen. You can still get out of it and not maybe take a little bit of a hit. But in any case, I like those the strangles moving into tomorrow and holding it over the weekend. And whether we head up or down won't make a difference. We just need a big move. So again, on the upside, we have the really the next target would be this 60.93. Above that, there's going to be some resistance right here. You can see this, and that's coming in right around that 61.02. So I'm still on the side that they're going to come up and do it. And really, the main reason is we don't really actually we do have a little bit of a sell signal. Let me get these things off. Hang on 1 second. Clear drawing set, yes. Okay, so it's not big here, but you can see that we had this move up here, and then we came. So we kind of do have a little bit of a bearish divergence, but I don't know. I'm gonna let the market do what it's gonna do. But really, what I'm seeing is this big move down. We're finding sellers, even if the bulls come up to these levels and make the new highs. I don't think it's going to be too sustainable overall. But right now there's there's a lot of bullishness in this market as far as us having a new president and taking some of the strangleholds that are on our businesses off. And the only thing is that the valuations, really. That's probably the biggest reason why I don't think we're going to be able to, sustain whatever rally we have right here. And another thing is what I showed in the report today was there's no protection right now. So you have VIX that's trading back near the lows again. Put call ratio is stuck into where everybody's in calls. And it's usually that's when you get these, these pretty big drops right here because there's no protection, so everybody panic sells, and that's what happens. And I don't think this is going to be any different at all. I'm still anticipating. I don't know where. Maybe we're going to make the new highs. Maybe we don't. But I see us coming down to these levels just to shake a lot of people out because, as I said, right now everybody's just looking up and no one's looking down, and I just think you need to be a little bit careful. So, obviously this is it. If the bears can get through this through the 60-40, then you have these support levels. But my guess, we're going to be coming down to the 59.93. If the bulls go up, we just got to keep an eye on the 60-90 and then these all-time highs. And again, we have some sell signals, so I wouldn't be surprised to see some backing and filling, but I still have a feeling they're going to close this gap beforehand. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a fantastic night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.